Good morning, good morning, good morning. It's a winter wonderland on the mountain. Whew. We got a lot of snow yesterday, guys. It was a very interesting day. As y'all seen yesterday in the Come On Keeping It Real, I got stuck driving in the snowstorm yesterday. Oh, but that was only a small part of it. After I got home yesterday, coming up the mountain, I'll show y'all here in a minute, I wrecked the Jeep. And that turned into a whole ordeal. Check this out. Good morning, guys. Good morning. Y'all coming out of y'all's house? You have been bouncing around for 2 days. You are loving this snow. Coco, nice to see you back in the pen. Nice to see you back in the pen. Good morning, Clips. Good morning. Come here. Come here. Good morning. Good morning. You happy? You love this weather. You love it, huh? Yeah. The shelter's holding up real good for the goats. It's doing real well. They love it. Eclipse is in it sometimes. She's constantly running and bouncing around. Domino, come here. Their water is freezing. I'm having to break it up a couple of times a day so they can get water. The rabbits are doing good. So I got a video coming out today on Come On Homesteading, showing what happened yesterday. Yeah, not good. Not good. Messed up the Jeep a little bit. Slid sideways down the hill. I'll show y'all what hill here in a minute. We're gonna fire Uber up because we are about to take care of some of this stuff around here and start clearing some paths, just for emergencies, just in case I need to get out. If I could even get the Jeep to crank. The Jeep has been giving me a very hard time. I'm gonna try to go get my truck tomorrow. Uber's gonna take a little while to warm up today. I know it. I hear you, Ube. Uber's like, I don't want none. Let it warm up for about 20 minutes. Get all that hydraulic fluid and stuff heating up. It don't like the cold. I don't think nothing out here on the mountain likes the cold. Domino likes the cold, don't you, Domino? Woo! It is beautiful out here, though. Absolutely gorgeous. I've changed Domino and Eclipse's food for the winter with a lot more protein and stuff in it. And it has made a huge difference with Domino's energy. Domino, come here. You ain't going down there. Domino, let's go. Well, that's the hill. It doesn't look too intimidating there with the way that it looks up here. But the Jeep did not want to make it up there last night, and I ended up losing traction and sliding down the hill and turning sideways and, well, hitting a tree and all kinds of stuff. Y'all will see on Come On Homesteading today that whole debacle. Good morning, Midnight. You out doing a little walking from the cabin? Domino, why you always picking on Midnight? Midnight don't want to run around and play with you, crazy. But it is definitely a cold one out here. I haven't seen a lot of trees down, so that's good. There is one down that's going to come out on the video today. But yeah, I got my work cut out for me. I need to get out here, break the water up for the goats and Eclipse. I need to switch the rabbit water out so they can get some fresh water. I did it yesterday evening as well. And make sure that all the animals are good. And then I need to get on Uber and we're going to clear some paths. I'm going to end up clearing the road out here. And I'm going to clear it all the way down the the hill that I slid down yesterday. I don't think we're going to get really much more snow today. It's saying here in about an hour we might get a little bit more, but I don't think we're going to get too much. Looks like that's the top of that cedar broke off. What do you think, Domino? I'm shocked at how much Domino loves the snow. Domino sits there at the door whining, wanting to come out and play in the snow. I didn't expect that with his little short-haired butt, but he loves it. But when he's ready to go in, he's ready to go in. All this snow and cold definitely brings a lot more challenges to the homestead, but it sure is beautiful. I love it. You don't get this kind of view in Florida. Look out through those trees. That's awesome. On the video coming out on Come On Homesteading today, I also drove down here and showed the area. Back here, I'm not going to go any further than this creek right here. I just wanted to see how much this little creek froze up. As you can see, it's starting to melt a little bit, but it's not going to last long because it's supposed to stay below freezing for a while. It's like 10 degrees right now. Here's the old hunting area. Nice. Domino. Domino said, all right, that's enough of the walk. Whew. But the good thing is it ain't hard to find animals out here in the snow. Looks like my blind's still standing, so that's good. No, come on. Domino's out there in the woods exploring. Domino, come on. He's on the scent of something. He smells something. What do you smell? What do you smell, man? He always listens to me. He ain't even paying attention to me right now. He's on to something. Oh yeah, all that to find a place to pee? Really? You ignoring me and everything? I'm gonna cut up through the woods. See what we got here. We're going off-road. Off-road dig 'em. Take y'all back here and show y'all this. That is pretty cool. See if we got any deer tracks over here. Yeah, the blind held up pretty good. If I'm not going to do any bow hunting, I need to go ahead and take it down. Something came across here. Yeah, looks like we got one little track of something. That's about it. Let's go check the main plot area while we're back here. We'll kind of circle back around the cabin. I'll show y'all some things around there. The temporary canopies made it through the storm. I did knock the snow off of it last night a few times. Once right before nighttime. That way anything that accumulated while I was sleeping wouldn't be so bad. Honestly, that was my biggest worry with us getting so much snow so quickly. I didn't want those to collapse. I got too much stuff stored in there. Hopefully by next winter, those ain't even a thing anymore, except for just, you know, storing vehicles or something like that. We got some more tracks. Go in here, that ain't Domino. Whew. We got any tracks over here, Domino? I don't see nothing over here but Domino's tracks. I guess all the deer are sleeping. Come on, Domino. Whew, look at that, guys. Let's go check out the future chicken coops, because I noticed something during the snow that I wasn't expecting with those, which was a pleasant surprise. Whew. Yep, I think I'm gonna be stuck on the mountain for a day or two. If we can get out tomorrow, I'm going to the Chevy dealership and I'm pretty much going to tell them they got to give me my truck until the transmission comes in. I can't deal with a Jeep not cranking and then not being able to really function in the snow and the cold weather. It's too dangerous. Now there's a little bit of snow inside there, but for the most part, these little tops on these things kept most of the snow out of there. That shocked me, except for the big hole area right there, and most of this blew in. I was looking at it yesterday. There was no snow up underneath there when it was snowing, so that's pretty cool. Yep, we're gonna have some chickens soon, Domino. You're gonna have to guard them. But we definitely got a little bit more than a dusting this time, for sure. See, it didn't turn out too bad. It was temporary. Yeah, but they got some snow on there, but it's not no big piles or nothing like that. Me knocking the snow off a couple of times yesterday definitely made a big difference, I think. One less thing to worry about. Whew. The birds are out. Look at all those birds, Domino. Look at them. You got a bird right in front of you and you don't even see it. I like it though, guys. I like it. It's gorgeous. A winter wonderland. One of the main things that I wanted whenever I came here was to have seasons. I just didn't want extreme seasons. And this is about the best that you're going to get, is if you don't want to go extreme, where you actually get the feel of the winter wonderland and get a decent amount of snow to make it look good and have fun in and all of that, and where it ain't too much of a pain in the booyakaka. I don't think I could do the where you get 10-20 foot. For all you guys that live in those areas, hats off to you. Speaking of hats, I thank my subscriber for getting me this little beanie right here. Boy, this right on time. Cover up the old ears, because you know I got a bald head. There ain't a lot of insulation up there. I'll probably do a little bit of filming. I'm going to be making a new intro for the main channel, Come On Homesteading. I do seasonal, and now that it's officially winter and we got the first snow, I'm probably going to go out and get some new footage and make a new intro. So a little recap. I got a video coming out on Come On Homesteading today of me wrecking the Jeep. Be on the lookout for that. I have probably one more video coming out this week on Come On Homesteading. And then I'm also going live tonight on Come On Homesteading. But besides that, I'm going to be working all week on the 2-year review video and trying to get that out by next Monday. So that's my main focus this week. And with the weather like this, it's a good week to do it. So definitely be on the lookout for that. If you haven't liked and subscribed, make sure that you do hit the notification bell, because YouTube is unsubscribing y'all just as fast as y'all subscribe right now for some reason on both channels. So check the other one as well. I love every single one of y'all. Stay warm, do something nice for somebody, but always, and I do mean always, keep it real. Come on.